Hey you guys, it's me, Lydia Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking all Danessa Myricks all the time. I'm going in and reviewing and doing a very quick first impressions of the new Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Moisture Repair Balm Serum. You guys know I have dry skin. Danessa has dry skin. She said this was made for us. I am just loving the way my skin looks like. It's just flushed and glowy, but it doesn't feel greasy. So we're going to get in and you're going to see my first impressions of the new Danessa Myricks Moisture Repair Balm Serum. And we're just going to go in with the rest of the Danessa Myricks products and see how these wear and pair together. So if you'd like to see how I got this very simple glowing look, I hope that you would keep watching. Hi to my new subscribers. Welcome back to those who have been here since day one. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Let's go ahead and get into this first impressions because you know Danessa is my girl. So we gonna review these products, okay? All right, so what exactly is the Yummy Skin Moisture Repair Balm Serum? This is supposed to be a moisturizing and repairing balm serum for face and body. It has hyaluronic acid. It's supposed to give a 100% increase in hydration, and it's good for dryness, good for uneven texture, which I have both of those, and it's fragrance free, which I love. I saw Danessa put this on first before she did any makeup, and obviously because it's a serum, so it's like a you know, body care facial serum, extra moisturizing. I should have opened this first because it's got tape on it. So let me open this. Hold on one second. So this is the packaging. It looks exactly like the Yummy Skin Blurring Balm, but this packaging is slightly bigger, I think, if I remember right. Now, I ran out of the Blurring Balm that I had in the shade number 5. I used it all up, so I ran out of it, but I am curious. No, it does not have a smell, but that's what it looks like. So I'm going to take a little bit on my scooper and we're just going to go right in. And I don't have anything on. I washed my face from earlier and I put on just a little bit of moisturizer, but I didn't do anything because I wanted to try this serum. And I'm just going to take that much. Like I scooped just a little bit out of the corner because I understand a little bit of this goes a long way. And I'm going to, let's see if I can zoom you in. Let's see. And we're going to start applying just this much. It feels nice and light. Ooh, it feels really good. And I'm just going to start applying this where I get the driest on my cheeks. And I'm going to put some here too because I have hyperpigmentation on this cheek. Let's do this side and we can see the difference. Ooh, it feels so nice and light. It doesn't feel greasy. Oh, oh man, that feels good. It feels like a, it really feels like a serum, like a skin serum. I got a little bit there, but that's okay. Look at that glow. I like how that feels. Let me put some up in my forehead. My forehead has a little dry patch right there, right about now. And I know that's just my winter skin. And so I'm gonna put some right there. And in the middle. Man, that feels good. I'm going to do just a little bit more on my chin. That looks good and nice and like a little glowy. You know what I mean? But really, I get the driest on my chin. And wow. You know, it gives me a nice sheen without being greasy. Do you know what I'm saying? And granted, I did not use a lot at all. I'm gonna put some under my eye. And I just feel like this is gonna lay so well with the other products. Oh, I can see, you know what? I would love to use this on my cuticles too. She said it's for face and body. This would make a great cuticle oil. I'm in between press-on nails right now, and my cuticles tend to get dry. This would make a great cuticle oil. Look at that. Oh, yes ma'am. And look at that glow. And I look like I'm glowing from the inside out. It just looks healthy. Like my skin just looks nice and healthy. Danessa, Look, if I ever meet Danessa, I would probably just fall down and cry because she is just so bomb. Like, she's just so bomb. Like, how does she even think of things like this? Oh my gosh. I'm just loving how my face feels. Not even so much how it looks. My skin feels like baby soft, but it feels smoothing. Do you know what I'm saying? I don't know how she did that, but it feels really smoothing. So I'm gonna add the skin tint, the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Tint. And you remember when I first bought this, I had shade 7, and it was a little too neutral, but it was also, I couldn't wear it in the summer. That's the problem. So when I got a new one, I got it in the shade 8. So I'm hoping that 8 with the golden undertones will be a little bit more flattering. And I'm not even gonna take a lot because I really don't want to mess around with that serum. But and this is one of the best skin tints like ever. So I'm just saying, I'm just gonna blend that in with a brush. And look at that. That is a great shade. Now that is the color that I should have had the first time, but a little bit of this goes a long way, and I want to keep it nice and sheer because this balm that I have on, that Yummy Skin Balm, holy, what, yeah, that's laying really well with that yummy. I want to get the name right. I want to make sure I'm saying it right. This is laying really well with the Yummy Skin Moisture Repair Balm. Moisture Repair Balm. It's laying really well. Let me blend it on the other side. So this skin tint, it is one of those that doesn't sit on your skin, in my opinion. And I feel like with my dry skin and this skin tint, the Yummy Skin, is serum based as well. This is going to be a great combination on the days that I don't want to do a lot, but I want to look pulled together. And I'm just taking what's left on the brush of that skin tint and brushing it over my head. Again, I have shade number 8. If you are my shade twin, shade number 8 is such a better fit for me. I had shade 7, and while the color was right, the undertone was neutral, but this is a more yellow golden undertone, and I think that just looks fantastic. It's not too much, but it's like just right. Like, it looks like I had a facial and now I have on a little skin. Girl, Danessa, girl, how do you do this? How do you do this? Before I add any concealer, I also got the Yummy Skin Juicy Boost. This is the Yummy Skin Glow Serum, and I got the shade Main Squeeze. And this is what's supposed to go as a primer. So I'm guessing the Moisture Repair Balm, this, and then your skin tint. But I'm not going to do it like that because I think I saw Danessa at one point use this somewhat as something of a highlighter because it has glow in it, and it does. So it has just a little bit of a glow to it, and I'm just going to put that right on top of my cheeks and see how that, you know, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I'm just going to put that right on top of my cheeks. And for me, in my opinion, her products layer well. So even if I put this underneath or if I put it on top, I'm not feeling like it's cakey or it's too much going on. Like, that just added a nice bit of highlight to my cheeks. And I haven't even gotten to the blush yet, you guys. I have not even gotten to the blush, but even with that, I think that's just such a nice glow. And you guys know where my texture is, but I don't feel like it's amplified with this. Oh man, let me find out I'm hitting 10 for 10 today. All right, so I'm just loving how my skin just looks fresh. And even though I have on a skin tint, I have a little bit of color, but it just looks fresh. It just looks like I had a good fit. It just looks so good to me. Okay, I added a little bit of concealer and a little bit of brightening under eye powder just to set it. And I do mean a little bit because I don't want to go overboard with the makeup. I want to keep this freshness. I do have the new shade of the Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Blush Yummy Skin Flushed Blush, excuse me, in the shade It Girl. This is the newest color from Danessa Myricks that she released, I want to say a month ago. And it's like a cool tone, like a bubblegum type pink. It's not normally my color, but it looks stunning, so I'm willing to try it. And I would even suggest putting these on with your hands or your fingers first. I always make the mistake of, but that's a good amount right there. And I always make the mistake of digging into the pan like a normal blush, but these are very, very pigmented. But I like the color. I did not think I would like this color pink. I normally like a little pink with a little bit of, like a little purple to it or something. A little bit more vibrant pink, but this is a nice baby doll type of pink. And it gave me just enough. And I'm going to take the rest on my hand and I'm going to put it over my eyes because I love that you can use her products everywhere. And I'm going to do it like that. That's a nice color pink. It's just enough. And I'm going to add a little bit of that pink in the middle. That pink blush on my lips. And let that all come together. My face is looking good. That juicy, the glow serum on top of that balm, and then adding the blush, it looks like somebody just made me laugh, and I'm like literally just blushing. But look how good and healthy and hydrated the skin looks. Like, even with the blush. And I didn't want to do a full face on purpose because I really wanted to see the skin effects of this. I always want to get the name right. It's the Moisture Repair Balm Serum. Yeah, I'm liking it. I'm liking this. First impressions, I'm sold. And for my dry skin too, I'm sold. I'm gonna wear this tomorrow when I go to work and put on a makeup and see how it wears under makeup. But so far, look at my skin, y'all. This looks so good. So you guys, thanks so much for tuning in today. I know this was super quick, but this is a very first impressions of the new Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Moisture. Why can't I say moisture today? Moisture Repair Balm Serum for my dry skin girlies, mature skin girlies. I think this is for us. I saw Danessa Myricks say that. She's 53, I'm 48. We both consider our skin to be mature, and I feel like this is going to be something that's going to give us a good boost before we apply makeup. And I know with her products, you can use these type of primers with other makeup brands and things like that, but I just like the way this just looks finished, along with the Yummy Skin Tint in the shade 8. A little bit of drop of this Yummy Skin Glow Serum. I'm curious to see, once I put this on and then the Glow Serum and then this, if I work it reverse, I think that's gonna eat. So far, so good. I just like how I just look like I'm glowing. I like that a lot. And the It Girl blush, the new color in the blush. Let me know your thoughts down below if you enjoyed this first impressions of the new Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Moisture Repair Serum. You know I'm going to be wearing this some more, so don't even fret. I know this was a super short video. But if you've made it this far in the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you don't miss a thing. Of course, everything will be linked down below. And I'm going to go glow. So I'm going to see y'all later. Bye.